Want a purple soup that fights colds? This one does. Let's dive into the vibrant world of elderberry and beetroot soup that not only warms you up, but also boosts your immune system. Perfect for those chilly days when you need a cozy meal. Beets are fantastic for building blood, packed with iron and essential vitamins that contribute to overall health. On the other hand, elderberries are little powerhouses known for their antiviral properties that help keep those pesky viruses at bay. When you combine them, you create a delicious soup that's not only stunning to look at, but magical in its benefits. With each spoonful, you're not just enjoying a meal, you're giving your body what it needs to stay strong and healthy. Introducing elderberry and beetroot soup, a cozy, colorful dish that will brighten your kitchen and your day. It's perfect for warming you up and impressing your friends and family with its bold hue and fantastic health benefits. Remember to save this vibrant recipe for when you need that extra immune boost. If you enjoyed this video and want more plant-powered soups, subscribe to Allie's Leaf Lab. Let's embark on this journey to health together, one delicious recipe at a time. See you next time for more nutritious adventures.